Most people spend their entire lives trying to change while staying exactly where they are. They want the new body, the new income, and the new mindset, but they want to keep the same friends, the same habits, and the same distractions. But you can't become the next level you while clinging to the current version of you. Real transformation requires a period of vanishing. In the military, they call it going dark. In the world of high performance, we call it the 6-month vanish. This isn't about hiding. It's about a radical, intentional withdrawal from the noise of the world so you can rebuild your foundation in silence. If you feel like you've been plateauing, or if you're tired of being just another face in the crowd, the next 6 months are your opportunity to become unrecognizable. Today, I'm giving you the protocol for the vanish. If you're ready to stop talking about your potential and start living it, pay attention. The first 60 days of the vanish are the hardest. Why? Because you have to kill your need for external validation. The next level version of you doesn't need people to see what you're doing to know it's working. During this phase, you are going to audit your environment. The digital ghost. Delete the apps that drain your time. If you aren't creating on social media, you shouldn't be consuming it. The circle audit. Notice who pulls you back to your old self. You don't need to make a big announcement, just quietly drift away. When you stop checking in with everyone else, you finally have the mental energy to check in with yourself. If you're watching this, it's because you know you're capable of more than your current surroundings allow. If you want a community that values growth over gossip, hit that subscribe button. We're building the next level you together, and I don't want you to miss the next phase of this protocol. Now that you've cleared the noise, we fill the void with the non-negotiables. During the vanish, you don't negotiate with your feelings. You follow the system. The physical pillar, your body, is the hardware for your mind's software. If your hardware is weak, the software crashes. For 6 months, you move every day. No exceptions. 180 days of physical discipline creates a level of confidence that can't be faked. The cognitive pillar. You must replace junk entertainment with high-density information. 1 book per week. 1 new skill per month. Imagine where you'll be in 180 days if you've read 24 books on psychology, finance, and health while everyone else was watching Netflix. You aren't just improving. You are becoming a different species of thinker. The middle of the vanish is where most people quit. The newness has worn off, and the results haven't fully shown up yet. This is where you master deep work. During the vanish, you pick one grand goal. Maybe it's a business, a career pivot, or a masterpiece. You dedicate 4 hours of every morning to this goal before the rest of the world even has their coffee. This is the ghost habit in action. While your competition is reacting to emails and notifications, you are building your empire in the dark. Remember, you aren't working for the weekend. You are working for a life that you don't need a vacation from. Most people won't make it to this point in the video. They've already clicked away to find something easier. But you're still here. That means you have the stamina for the next level. If this is the mindset you've been looking for, join the channel and let's keep pushing. 6 months from now, you will reemerge. You'll walk back into the rooms you left, but you won't be the same person who walked out. Your voice will be deeper with conviction. Your eyes will be sharper with focus. Your body will be a testament to your discipline. The people who knew the old you will ask what happened. They'll ask for your secret. But there is no secret. There was only the vanish. There was only the work. And there was only the commitment to becoming the next level you. The clock is ticking. Month 1 starts the moment you turn off the screen. Go dark. Do the work. Come back unrecognizable. I'll see you at the finish line.